Hello, I'm Sierra Bose. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. Today we are going to talk about esters. Let's take a look at today's problem. An ester is given by the condensed structural formula CH3, CH2, CO2, CH2, CH3. Show its structural formula. Write the molecular formula. Name the ester. Identify the parent carboxylic acid and the corresponding alcohol from which the ester can be derived. We will solve this problem in parts. Let us begin. Firstly, they asked for the structural formula, part 1. The structural formula is, firstly, the CH3 group. Then we have the CH2. The CO2 part. And lastly, we have the CH2 and the CH3. This is the structural formula. Part 1 is solved. Moving on to part 2, molecular formula. Molecular formula is C2H5 COO C2H5. C2H5COO C2H5 is the molecular formula. We've solved part 2. Now we have to name the ester, part 3. The name of the given ester is ethyl propanoate. Is the name of the ester. Identify the parent carboxylic acid and the corresponding alcohol from which the ester can be derived. This is our last question, part 4. The parent carboxylic acid is propanoic acid, which is C2H5COOH. Propanoic acid. Is the parent carboxylic acid. And the corresponding alcohol alcohol is C2H5OH. Ethanol. Or ethyl alcohol. Now we can do a quick revision of this. Let's take a look at the problem. An ester is given by condensed structural formula CH3, CH2, CO2, CH2, CH3. To show its structural formula, write the molecular formula, name the ester, identify the parent carboxylic acid and the corresponding alcohol from which the ester can be derived. First part, structural formula. Easily from the condensed structural formula, which is given in the question. Part 2, they asked for the molecular formula, which is C2H5COO C2H5. Then part 3, that is the name of the ester, is ethyl propanoate is the name of the ester. And part 4, the parent carboxylic acid and the corresponding alcohol from which the ester can be derived was asked. The part 4, C2H5COOH propanoic acid is the parent carboxylic acid, and the corresponding alcohol is ethanol, whose formula is C2H5OH, ethanol, or ethyl alcohol. Now you may take a look at the board. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you!